In this video, you'll learn how to buy broken items on eBay, repair them, and then resell them for a profit. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you understand each part of the workflow. Start by searching for repairable items on eBay. Use keywords such as for, parts, or not working in the search bar. These keywords will help you locate listings where sellers offer broken or damaged products at lower prices due to the need for repair. As you browse through the results, carefully read the item descriptions to identify the specific issues the products have. Focus on listings where the problems appear minor or easily fixable, as this increases your chances of finding items with good resale potential. Next, evaluate the cost and effort required to repair the items you are interested in. Before making a purchase, estimate the total cost of the repair, which should include any replacement parts and tools you may need. It is also wise to compare this estimated cost with the average resale value of the product once it is repaired. To determine market prices, review recently sold listings for similar items. Ensure that the projected final value will provide a profit after accounting for all expenses. Additionally, consider the complexity of the repairs and choose items that align with your. Once you have successfully purchased an item, proceed with the necessary repairs. Take your time and perform the repairs carefully to ensure quality results. After completing the repairs, it is crucial to test the product thoroughly to confirm that it works properly. This step is essential to avoid any issues that could arise after the sale, which could affect your reputation as a seller. After verifying that the item is fully functional, create a new eBay listing, include clear photos of the repaired item, and provide an accurate description that highlights its features. If applicable, mention that the item has been repaired and specify the repairs made. Setting a competitive price based on similar listings will help attract potential buyers. This attention to detail can significantly enhance your chances of selling the item successfully. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.